Hey folks, how's it going? Today's job is with this Stihl chainsaw. It's an old 08s Stihl. Just got to see it there. Started making these in 1965, roughly, like 56 cc, and then after like 1969, I think they were like 48 cc roughly. I think this is the later rather than the earlier. And the earlier, the first ones had a different badge there. The instead of a plate like this, they were more like embossed, like they stuck out slightly. So yeah, let's dig into this and we'll see what it needs to get running. He's quite reliable back in the day, so I can't see it needing much really. We'll see if she's got spark, and then we'll tackle the fuel system. Looks like it's had a repair on the tank here. Someone's put something on, some type of resin. So yeah, we'll get it stripped down and we'll see what's what. Let's get this bar and chain off, make it a bit safer. That one there tight. This whole handle comes out of the way. And we've got a fastener there too. Never actually seen one of these apart. Look at the oiler here. Never seen an oil tank on the outside of the casing here. Definitely needs cleaning up. I don't think it's been cleaned for a long time. Everything's turned to soil inside. It looks like this little spur here catches on the oiler. That goes straight to the crank, that does. So even when when it's ticking over, it'll still be oily in the chain. So you wouldn't want it ticking over for too long, because yeah, you'd waste a lot of oil. So let's get this plug out and we'll see if it's got spark. Doesn't look too bad. Definitely got spark. Bottom end doesn't sound too noisy either, so we take this, or shall we just put some petrol in? Let's put some petrol down the bore and see if we'll get fire. Got a bit of pre-mix here. Let's give it a squirt. And definitely runs. It's a bit noisy, it's a bit clanky. Wonder if its top end's rattling a bit. So get this top case off and we'll have a look at the fuel pipes and look at the carb and see what the crack is there. Looks like there's just 3 screws for this, one's missing there. Size of that carb. I think it's massive. A strange filter on it. A cylinder gauge filter. Give that a blow off in a minute. I'll give it a quick clean and then I'll bring it back. Looks like it's missing some type of breather here, but everything else seems quite clean. Everything moves on the carb. It's got a mechanical governor right there, look. That's strange, isn't it? That's mint. I don't know, I don't really see any problems with it. I'd say we put it back together, put some fuel in the tank, put the chain back on and go see if she'll cut some wood. So that governor goes right back to the choke, and yeah, chokes it. Never seen anything like that before. Don't see much of a chain brake here. Not sure if these had chain brakes or not. Looks like there's supposed to be one here. Bit of a pin there. I imagine a spring went across here. Yeah, so don't get too mad with it. We're not having a chain brake. Give this a quick clean out and then get back to you, and we'll get the chain on. Pet this bar out, its oil ways are blocked on it. Yeah, both sides. That's one oil way, and then there's the other. Give that a scrape out and we'll get it back on. That looks better. See daylight for it now, so yeah, let's get it back on and make sure. Trying to figure out which way this oils. It oils from the opposite side, doesn't it? Not even sure this is the right bar for this, because the oiler for this is at the top. When you put the bar here, the oiler's on the wrong side, so yeah, may need a bar and chain. Let's put it on. We'll put some oil on the chain manually and we'll go see if she'll do a cut. This bar has no spur or bearing in the end of it. It's literally just solid all the way through. That's proper strange. make us proper awkward. Oh, that was hard work getting that ball and chain back on. It might have been easier with if we'd had the original bar on, but yeah. Let's check the oil. Now that it's going to feed, we'll manually put some oil on there, and then we'll put some fuel in it and see if we can get started. Air filter back on. Whew, that stinks. Old gas. So let's take this outside and see if we can get it started. So she runs off choke. The cutout switch doesn't work. Let's get some oil on this chain. try to get it down in the guide there. So it's definitely knocking either on the top end or bottom end. She's quite loud there. She's very low on power. She really struggled with that log there. That's not the biggest of logs really. But yeah, I might strip it down one day and restore it. But yeah, it definitely runs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.